So I regularly post on my Instagram and everyone keeps asking me one thing. How is it possible that you are so consistent with posting? Because you already know that regular and consistent posting is the only key to get better engagement on your Instagram account. So today I am going to share my secret by creating this amazing automation inside Pabbly Connect, so that I just sit back and relax. Automatically, this workflow do post on my Instagram accounts daily. Yes. And in this video, I'll show you how you can also create the same automation for your own business. Now, without wasting any time, let's start building this automation from the scratch. At first, open a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without writing a single line of code. In this page, on the right-hand side, you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. But before doing the sign in process, I just want to share something extremely important with you. If you are planning to purchase any Pabbly subscription, then use my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Here, after doing the sign-in process, you will be see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. As we are creating a new workflow, so I will click on this plus create workflow button. Then it asks me to select the workflow builder that I'm going to select as new beta. After that, I'm entering the workflow name as Instagram auto posting tutorial with Google Gemini, as this tutorial is completely beginner friendly. Next, I'm going to select the folder as Pabbly Connect. After that, I will click on this create button. See, our workflow is created successfully. Now, this right here is the most important step of doing any automation, name as trigger. Trigger says when this happens. This is the first application you have to select for creating your workflow. So in this tutorial, I'm going to select my trigger application as schedule by Pabbly because I want to do the regular posting on my Instagram account. After selecting the application, next the app event, I'm going to select a schedule workflow. Next, I will click on this connect button. Then it asks that how often you want to run your workflow with some option as at regular intervals, once every day of weeks, and dates of months. Here I want to do the regular posting on every day, so I will select this option. Next, I'm going to select the timing. After that, I will click on the save button and see the post timing is scheduled successfully. With the help of this trigger step, automatically every day on this time a new post is going to be uploaded on your Instagram account. Moving forward, I'm going to select my action application as Gemini to generate a caption for the post. So I am searching a Gemini in this field. After that, I'm selecting this Google AI Studio Gemini. Next, I am selecting the app event as generate content because I'm setting this step for generating a content. Next, I will click on this connect button. See, it will provide me two options, name as add new connection and select existing connection. If you have an existing connection, then you will select this option. Here I'm going to make a new connection, so I will click on this add new connection. Next, it asks me to enter the API key. Now for getting this API key, you just have to click on this Google AI Studio and you will become in this page where you just have to click on this get API key option. After that, click on this create API key button. Next, you have to give the name to your API key in this field that I have entered as Gemini API key. After that, I'm selecting the project as this. Next, I will click on this create secret key button and see, I have got my key that I'm going to copy from here and pasting it in this field. After pasting the API key, you just have to click on the save button and see how easy your Google Gemini account is connected to your Pabbly Connect. Next, in this text field, I am going to enter the prompt that I want to give to the AI. So this is the prompt. You can also use this prompt, but my opinion is that you can use your custom prompt for generating a post completely based on your own business. And if you want this prompt, then I have already shared the link of the flow in the description below. You can check it out for getting this. Next, I'm going to select the model as Gemini 2.5 Flash and the method I'm going to select as generate content. Next, the response format with two quick options, same as simple and advanced. If you want to receive a response in simple format, then you will select this option. And if you want to receive a response in advanced format, just like a flattened key values or an array, then you will select this option. Here I am selecting the response format as simple. Next I will click on the save and send test request button, and see I have received the positive response that includes one amazing caption. It is only possible with the help of this prompt that I have entered here. So as the generation of the caption is completed, now I am moving forward to the next application where I am going to generate an automated post using Gemini. So for that I am again selecting the application as Google AI Studio Gemini. After that, the app event I am going to select as generate and edit images nano banana, because at this time we are going to generate an image that we have to post on the Instagram. After selecting the app event, I am clicking on this connect button. Again, it will provide me two options as we have already added the account in the previous step. So in this time I am selecting the option as select existing connection. Next I will click on the save button and it is connected. Next I am going to select the model as Nano Banana Pro for generating the image. Next the method I am going to select this generate content. After that I am entering the prompt in this field. See here I have entered the prompt. Now in front of this caption field I am going through the mapping of the response that I have received from the previous application, means this Google AI Studio, where we have received the automated generated caption for the Instagram post. So to do the mapping you just have to enter the slash on the field and select the response from the previous application. That I am going to select this. See how easy the data is mapped. Mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic. With the help of this mapping, automatically the data will be changed whenever your workflow gets triggered. And I have also entered the prompt of the image. You can use this and also customize it if you want to. After that, these are not required fields, so I am leaving these blank. But if you want to upload any file or the image, then you can upload it from here. Next I will click on the save and send test request button. Here you have to wait for a few seconds, and see I have received the positive response with one file URL. So I am copying this from here and checking it in a new tab. See, this is the image that is generated by the Google AI Gemini. As we have received the image URL, this means that this step is also working perfectly. Now we need to post this on Instagram, but this image URL is long and private. So first we must make it public by adding a new action step as file uploader by Pabbly. After that I am selecting the app event as upload file and get URL. Next I will click on this connect button and it will provide me one field by the name of file URL, where again I am going through the mapping from the previous response, that is from this Google AI Studio Gemini, where we have generated the image. So I am copying the file URL from here, and in this field I am going to enter a file name, that new post. You just have to make sure that the file name does not include any space. After that I will click on the save and send test request button. And see I have received the positive response, and you also know that the maximum file size allowed for uploads is 20 MB, and you can also upload the file in the following formats. After that you will see I have received the positive response. Moving forward, now we are going to do the posting on Instagram. For that I am again clicking on this add new action step and selecting the application as Instagram for business. After that the app event I am going to select as create and publish photo. Next I will click on this connect button. If you have an existing connection between your Instagram account and Pabbly Connect, then you will select this option. Here I am going to make a new connection, so I will select this add new connection. After that I am clicking on this connect with Instagram for business. Here my Facebook account is already logged in, so I am clicking on this continue button. But if you want to connect your Instagram account to your Pabbly Connect, at first you just have to log your Facebook account and then click on the continue button, and see how easy your Instagram account is going to be connected to your Pabbly Connect account. Next I am going to select the account from here as Michael Angel. See, this is this account Michael Angel. After that in this photo URL field I am going to map the photo URL that I have received from the file uploader, as it is a public URL. See, it is mapped. Next in this caption field I am going to do the mapping of the caption from this second step where we have generated the caption using Google AI Studio Gemini. Here I select. After that you just have to click on the save and send test request button. See, it is proceeding. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now until it is completed, I just want you to know that the maximum image size is 8 MB and aspect ratio falls within a 4:5 to 1.91:1 range. And see, we have received the positive response and the status has succeed. This means that a new post is posted on your Instagram account. Let's check this. Here I am refreshing it and see a new post is uploaded in my Instagram account that we have generated from this Google AI Studio Generate an Images Nano Banana step. So this is the magic of Pabbly Connect. After that, you just have to click on the save button and see our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. If you face any difficulties or you have any questions while creating this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. With the help of this automation, the time and the days you have set it in the schedule by Pabbly, automatically it gets triggered and caption will automatically generated in this step. After that, based on the caption, a new image is generated in this step. Then with the help of this file uploader by Pabbly, the image URL will becomes public. And lastly, in this step, automatically a new post is going to be uploaded on your Instagram account consistently, regularly, without you touching your phone. So this is the magic of Pabbly Connect. Now, what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automation for your own business. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.